today I have the coolest keyboard. This is a mechanical gaming typing keyboard. Doing yourself means you can take some keys, put another keys, put the return somewhere else, so you can do whatever you want with the keys.
For someone who wants to use your computer afterwards.
Oh, you put it all backwards. Yes, we begin now, Menina?
Yes, correct.
Yes. How we doing, everyone? This is Dario from MediaBoxent team. We got this cool keyboard, pink color, even though you don't see it. We're going to swap the screens, turn the lights on. And Menina, we're going to go over a few of the detailing. This is the blue key. So
Cherry MX Blue.
Yes, so Menina's going to talk about a little bit. So let me switch cameras. All right, Menina. What do you think of the color?
It's beautiful, and this is a mechanical gaming keyboard also for typing. It's recommended for, as we said, typing and gaming. This is a Cherry MX Blue. It has a distinct click sound when pressed beyond the tactile point, making it loudest switch in the Cherry MX family. The separated slider construction also provides the highest tactile feedback out of all Cherry MX switches for gaming and typing.
You know, Menina, was invented in 1983, this type of keyboards.
That's a long time ago.
Yes, this keyboard was invented. The Cherry MX is one of the most successful keyboards ever made. And
so successful that I'm making them again.
Yes, this is like the old school IBMs. Now, the sound, yes, you can really feel the sound. So the question is, if at night, Menina says to me, are you sure you want me to use this keyboard or not when you're sleeping?
No.
You still have to try it. I'm telling you, you got to try this thing. It has no ghost feedback. When really pushing and when you hit the key gets pressed. You can feel when you hear that noise, and if I can get this close, when you hear that noise, it means it's already connected. Now, we also have the Cherry Red. So the Cherry Red is for 100%. I was 100% for the gaming. So the blue, they said, is typing and gaming. Don't get me wrong, they're all gamings too. And if you want like be in the middle, then we get the brown Cherry. The brown keys are the ones that's 50-50 gaming, 50-50. But if you want fast tapping, that would it. Now, pretty heavy. It weighs 1 kilo. So over 2 pounds. It's pretty heavy. So definitely it stays what it stays. Another good thing is you can just drop water in this. And what it has a 2 draining holes. So the water will come out right from the bottom. So when you guys play in a lot of video games and you drop any liquid, things will come out of here. It will not damage your keyboard. But what I love too. So it's 108 keys. So you have every key you can imagine here. Everything, from control your media devices, open emails, go home, search, open your calculator, volume controls, and then all these kids insert, delete, and you have kids everywhere. That's real nice. These are what they call a full keyboard. But let me turn the lights off and let me show you this. It's real cool. So we go dark. So there are a lot of combinations here, and I'll show you a few. So we're going to go function key, and we're going to go home. What's this? So every time you press a key, got that effect. Function, home. We can do one key at a time. Function, home. Let's go back again. Another effect. Yes, I like that one. I think this one is called actually laser. This one is called laser. No matter what you press, it changes. And I think it's 5. What else you have? Oh, yes, the other way around. You see that one there? It goes all the way around. Now we can change the speed. We can, let me see. Let me go that effect. Let me go, okay. And go end it there. Let me change effects. Oh, Alt. That's why it's not working. Home. Let me do this one. And let me go 1. It goes all the time running. So we can change the speed. This one. I have to remember our combination. Now, if we press function key and see, we can actually go slow, fast. See, we can change that. We can change the brightness, and the brightness, say if I remember, we go like this. Yes, you see? Oh, that one we change the speed. See, they have a lot of crazy combinations, this thing. Even some I even remember. Even some of the here we can change. Now I can go function key and 1, function key 2, function key 3, 4, 5, 6 is that, 7, and that's it. We turn it off. So let's go back, and I think that's you see how fast is that? Oh, that's crazy. Let's go slow. Slow. Yeah, that's a little slow. But my perfect effect, that's crazy. I like the one it rotates all the time. Let me see. I think it page down. Oh, yes, that one. I like this one. I think that one is pretty cool. Now you type in and you just go crazy. But it does feel good. I mean, the size, the key, everything, the touch when you type in. It's a little noisy. So you guys want to, you want to play a game that requires a fast stroke key. Just for this one will do it. I mean, definitely this will do it for fastest stroke. If you guys play any PC games and you want your keyboard, I mean, that's what you want. If you want some typing, this is good. Now, once again, this is the blue version. So blue version is supposed to be optimized for typing, but it's a perfect gaming keyboard too. Now, if you're looking now for red is more, they call it red keys because they get a red color inside. That will be for you fasting game. Even for faster game, there will be the white keys. So the white key is supposed to be like for super fast gaming stroke keys. And the brown one, like we said before, the brown one is half and half, 50-50. But the blue is a good choice. I love it. I just got it disconnected from my computer and give it to my wife because this is a pink color. I thought I need to get they had the yellow and black version. That's what I need to get. Guys, if you need more information, and I think this looks real cool keyboard, and even I don't care if you don't want it, I keep the pink color. I don't care. I don't care what people think. It's fine to me. What I like is a keyboard, and it's 100% better typing, and you can change all these crazy keys with any type of color. Check the link below. Thank you.